I want to build a business. Not talk about building a business, not make videos about other people's businesses, actually build one. And I think AI automation might be how I actually do it. But here's the thing, I've been thinking about starting a business for a long time. That's it, sir. I've been thinking about starting a business for a long time. An actual business, not a side hustle, not freelancing, something I actually built from scratch. But here's the thing, I've always waited. I've been waiting for the right idea, the right moment. I feel ready. Then I realized I'm never going to feel ready. Like never. So I decided I'm going to be ready after I start. So this is me starting. And starting publicly. So you guys can hold me accountable. Because I have a thing for drifting apart pretty quick. But I promise I'll do this. AI automation. I think this is how I will do it. And I think this could work. But I genuinely don't know if this will actually work or not. So I'm going to document everything, the learning, the failing, and whether we'll see if this actually works. So this day one, October 23rd, 2025. Let's cut the noise and just let me tell you why this actually even matters. I usually wake up around 5 or 6 a.m. in the morning to just learn, learn new things because I usually don't have time in the day to do it. And this year, I started this YouTube channel about productivity tools and all that. 105 subscribers, 11 months. Most of my videos get like 20, 30. If they're lucky, they get like 100 plus. Usually, sometimes it does good. And I keep thinking, what am I doing wrong? What am I actually doing wrong? Better titles, better thumbnails, better topics. But I realized that's not actually the problem. The problem is I don't actually know what I'm actually building. I've been making content about things, tools, productivity, and stuff. But I haven't been building anything myself. And I'm not saying this like is the main thing that you should focus on. It's just what I like and what I usually make content on, like it's kind of separating at this point. Because what's happening is I'm making content and I'm working on my business. And like and I work in the day. Like I'm really stressed out. I'm stressed out fucking thin. And I think I just want to build my own business. Not talk about building other people's businesses. So that's what this is. And AI automation is the thing that I'm choosing. Not because it's trending, not because I'm a fucking expert. I don't know shit. I don't know like I don't really know about it. Because I think I can learn it. And I think if I can learn it, I can build something real with it. And that budget thing is not a given. Being an international student here in Sydney, Australia, it's fucking high. I don't I don't really have the money to spend on even if I really wanted. But I think that's what actually makes it even better. Because if we can figure this out without paying with bunch of stuff, just use free tools, free resources, just YouTube and stuff, it means I actually learned something and not just paid my way through it. I would love to, but I don't have the luxury. But and I'm not gonna complain here, sitting here, and I'm not gonna bitch about it. It's fine. Okay, so what is AI automation? So I spent like an hour just reading stuff. A lot of it doesn't really make sense. Some people are talking about it making decisions. Some people are talking about connecting like different apps and stuff. And a lot of them are just selling you damn stupid courses. Buy my course. That's it. But then I found something that actually makes sense a lot. So AI automation is basically just using an AI app like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, any AI, and connecting it to the other apps to do things automatically. So instead of me checking my emails, reading it, deciding what to do with it, typing a reply, I could build something that does that, all of that for me. It reads the email, it uses the AI to understand it, it drafts a reply, or like schedules a meeting, or whatever I would have done automatically. That's simple. That's actually simple. Not easy, but simple. Some people are building like real things. Some people are automating their cold email, like AI writes the emails, sends them, follows up. completely automatic. Someone built an AI customer service system and it handles 80% of their support tickets without a human even touching it. Someone automated the entire content creation. AI researches topics, writes drafts, and schedules the posts. And these are all real. People are using it every single day. And they're building them with free tools. I mean, I hope at least some of them are doing it, which means I can do it too. Okay, so here's what I'm realizing. This isn't about being technical. It's not about coding. It's about understanding. When this happens, do that. If someone emails me and asks about a meeting, automatically check my time and calendar or whatever it is and propose them the times. If a customer asks any questions or anything, automatically research research about the documentation and send them the answer. That's it. It's just logic, connections, which means this is actually learnable. Fuck, I might actually be able to do this. Fucking hell. All right. So if I'm doing this, I need a fucking platform. I can't just do it on a this make.com. It looks powerful. The free tier has 1,000 operations per month. I don't know if like that's a lot or anything. Zapier. I've heard about this. I think everyone uses this, but I think the free version is really limited. And I've also heard about NNN. And it's free if you host it yourself, but again, that sounds complicated. I'm not gonna do it 100%. I'm gonna go with Make. Yeah. Not because it's best. I don't know which one's best. Maybe JPS could be better. Or even the NNN. But I don't know shit about hosting. So I'm not gonna go there. Make looks simple and stuff. So I'm just gonna stick to Make. And it has a free tier that seems reasonable. 1,000 scenarios, I don't know. It just sounds a lot. So I'm just gonna do that. And there also seems to be a lot of tutorials or I don't not tutorials, like templates. So make.com it is. Okay, this is more complex than I thought it'd be. There's scenarios, there's modules, something called routers, webhooks. Okay, I generally don't know what all of this means at all. There's tutorials, but I'm not gonna watch those yet. I wanna try it and figure this out first. Like by myself, how far can I actually get? Because I'm not too bad with it. So I should be fine. Next episode, I'm going to try and build something from scratch. Probably really something very simple, like an email, like or whatever. Something related to email. I think that sounds a lot easier. Automating an email. And I will use it. I might use it. So I'll just do that. We'll see if I can even do it. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. Every week, almost same time, I'll try a new episode of this journey for 90 days. Each week, I'm going to learn one new thing or build one new automation, whatever it is, or like try to figure out a piece of the puzzle that I haven't found it yet. And I'm going to show you everything when it works and when it doesn't work, and when I have no idea what I'm actually doing. Because I think that would be more useful than like a polished tutorial. If you're thinking about learning this too, you're actually going to see what it actually takes to even do it. And not the version where I know everything. The version where you start from nothing. And at the end of 90 days, we'll see if this is real and if I can actually build something that someone would even pay for. If I can start a business doing this or if I'm completely wrong. If you want to see how this goes, subscribe. Next episode, I'm going to build my first automation and everything is going to be documented. Let's see what happens. All right. Day one.